Today I explain GP, geometrical progression. Okay. What is a GP? We write a series in T1, T2, T3 up to T4 up to Tn, otherwise infinite. If we divide T2 upon T1 equal T3 upon T2, okay, and T4 upon T3 is called GP. Same, when we divide second term to first term, third term to second term, fourth term to third term, and we get constant value, that means same value. If we get x, same value, it is called GP. In third way, AR square, AR cube, this is a GP. Why? Because when we divide T2 upon T1, we get AR upon A. R. T3 upon T2, AR square upon AR. So here is R. That means we get same value. It is a GP. Okay? R is a common ratio, A is a first term. In AP, I explain then we difference are same is called D. DR difference is called AP. But ratio are same is called GP. In so I ask you explain these series are in AP, otherwise not. Okay. So we write here this is a T1, T2, T3, T4, otherwise. First we divide T2 by T1. Here is a 4 by 2. We get 2. T3 by T2. 8 by 4. We get 2. Okay. We saw there is common ratio are same. That means this series is AP. Sorry, GP. Okay. We write 2 square, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Here is also the GP. Why? Because when we divide, we get same ratio. If we divide any series, 2 to second term to first term, third term to fourth term, fourth term to fifth term, so we get same ratio is called GP. Now I write Pn. Which Pn? A, R, and minus 1. Where A is first term, R is common ratio, and N is which value we find. If I write 2 square, 2 cube, 2, 4, otherwise we find equal to 10. Okay? If we find the value Tn, so I write here Tn, T10. Here is A equal to 2 and R equal to 2. So we get A 2, R 2, 10 to the power minus 1. We find the A, R and minus 1. So 2 into 2 to the power 9. Here we get 2 to the power 10. If you can multiply that to 3, otherwise this is the answer. Okay? I write if these series are in GP, then find the 15 term. If these series are in GP, then we find the 15 term. So first we find this series in GP, otherwise not. So we divide T2 by T1. 6 by 3, here is a 2. And T3 by T2. 12 by 6, here is also 2. That means this is a common ratio are same. So this series in GP. Now we find the 15 terms of GP. So I write here T15 equal to, here is A equal to 3, R equal to 2, N equal to 15. I write here the value, general formula, Tn equal to A R N minus 1. T15 equal to 3. 2 to the power 15 minus 1. Here we write 2, 3, 2 to the power 14. If you solve 2 to the power 14, you are free, but this is your final answer. T15 equal to 3 into 2 to the power 14. Okay. Now, if any GP A equal to 3, R equal to 2. Okay. A equal to 2, R equal to 2. I ask you, and then, and I ask you find the series and find the 10 terms. So I write A, AR, AR square, AR cube up to. So here we 2, here is 2 into 2. Here is 2 into 2 into 2. Here is 2 into 2 into 2 up to 10 times. So here 3. This is series. And I ask you find the 10 term, then you use T10 equal to A into R n minus 1. 2 into 2 to the power 9. So we get as it 2 to the power 10. Okay. So when I ask you write the series, then you take AR square, AR cube up to infinite. If Tn equal to 16 and A equal to A equal to 2, R equal to, if I give you Tn and I ask you R value, so I write here Tn equal to ARn minus 1. It's T4. I write here T4. Okay. So n equal to 4. We take n equal to 4. A equal to 2. R didn't know 4 minus 1. 16 divided by, here is 8. R 3. We find the value of R. What is given? If T14 equal to T4 equal to 16, A equal to 2, R equal to n equal to 4, then we find the value of R. So I write here solution. Here we saw this is a 3 powers and this is a 8. We do factor and we make sure 3 powers. So here we saw this is a 2 to the power 3. This is a R to the power 2. We comparing and find the value R equal to 2. Okay. If I give you L equal to 81 and R equal to 3, A equal to also 3, find the value of N. Okay. So this is a N, otherwise this is a Tn. I explain again. this is a Tn, otherwise this is a L. So I write here Tn equal to A R n minus 1. So here is I write 81 equal to 3 to the power n minus 1. Why? Because we don't know what is the value of n. Here we saw this is a 27 and this is a 3. So we first we made powers of 3. Powers of 3. Now we comparing, we saw n minus 1 equal to 3, n equal to 3 plus 1. This is a 4. So we find the value n equal to 4. Okay. This is L, otherwise Tn. If this is again. So in this video, I explained today how we find the series, how we find the R, how we find the N, and how we find the Tn. Now, I give you T2 equal to 16, T3 equal to 64, and we find the series. So now we get T2 equal to AR equal to 16, T3 equal to AR square 64. Why? Because we know that here is A minus 1, then we use AR 2 minus 1, we get AR. When we use AR 3 minus 1, we get AR square. This is a first equation and this is a second equation. So then we divided by second equation to first. So here is AR square equal to 64 and AR equal to 16. Now A cancel, this one cancel, R equal to 4. We put value anything equation and find the value of A. So if we put value here, we find A R equal to 16, putting R equal to 4, A equal to 16 upon 4, A equal to 4. Now we write series AR square, AR cube. So here we put A. Okay, complete. Okay. Okay.